Hey you guys, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video we have another V-part wig. I haven't tried one of these in a while, but the ones that I have done I absolutely love. So I'm super excited to show you guys. If you want to see more about this hair, then definitely keep on watching. So today's hair is from Hurela Hair. This is a new company for me. I don't think I've ever worked with them before, but thank you for sending over the unit. So inside the box, you do have a pack of goodies. You do have your wig cap, which we won't be able to use because it's a V-part wig. You do have a headband. Looks like you have a silk satin scarf. You have some lashes and you have some hair clips. V-part unit. This is what the parting space looks like. You do have two combs on either side of the V-part. You have one comb right at the top of the V-part, and you have a comb in the back, and you have a comb at the ear tab on either side, and then you have your adjustable straps. No elastic band on this one. It is a breathable, stretchy cap. And the hair looks really long and pretty. It has a little bit of layers to it, but you guys know me, I'll probably add even more layers to it. But it's very long and very pretty. I think today I'm going to use my Conair Infinity Pro curling iron. So we're gonna put that up to 395 and let that one heat up. I may need to use my flat irons as well. I'll probably need to flat iron my leave out because, you know, with a V-part wig, you can choose to not do a leave out. But for straighter V-part wigs like this one, I typically leave a little bit of hair just to add some extra coverage. And then I go ahead and, you know, leave everything else in. So I'll probably leave my edges in. Oh, if you like the bonnet, these are available on the website. These are our signature pink and black GLEEmade bonnets. They are reversible silk satin bonnets, and you can find them on our website, www.gleemade.com, and just click the link that says bonnet. So I'm gonna go ahead and make this tighter. Whoops, I'm gonna open up the clips. And especially this one at the top, that one is really important. I'm gonna do a side part today, so I left a little bit of my hair out of the braids. These braids are super old, so I just took one out and you know, released some of the hair for it and then just braided it back down. The rest of these braids are super old. So this is kind of a lot of hair. I think I'm gonna leave less than this. So I'm just gonna take some of this hair away. Yeah. And I'm gonna just put a bobby pin just to hold this extra hair back. And to make the shape of the leave out a V, I'm just going to take some hair from either side and bobby pin it away. So now that it's flat ironed, it looks like it's a little thin. I hope this is enough to cover, but we shall see. Make sure this extra hair is still pinned, because I feel like that's coming out. So I'm gonna just pin that extra hair again. Make sure that's secure. I'm gonna go ahead and comb that one in. And comb this last one in. And I think this one on the inside needs to be moved a little bit. Take it out. Comb it in so I can place this comb in. And now the wig is laying flat. Very flat, in fact. I like it. And now we can separate this leave out. You might need to take a couple pieces of hair out from here just to give us a little bit more coverage. All right, now it's time to style this hair. So I think what I'm gonna do is those smaller curls with my curling iron. So stay tuned for that. So I got some new cutting shears. These are called Tycon Instruments, and these are from Amazon. So this will be my first time trying these out. I rarely ever use cutting shears. So we'll see. I usually just use regular scissors, but I was like, I guess it's time for me to invest in some cutting shears. And I love the color of these. They're like this green and purple iridescent. And like I said, they're from a company called Tycon Instruments. So I'm just going to cut a few layers into this hair. I don't want it to get too short, but I do want it to have some type of shape to it. So far so good. I like the scissors. They're definitely doing a good job. Okay, so I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. Now again, I'm rocking this wig on a side part. It's not meant that way. So be careful when you're cutting, you know, a V-part wig for a side part, because it's not going to be the same once you're done on either side. Each side will be different now, so you want to bear that in mind. And you can already see the hair is like starting to fall better with the layers in it. Now I usually cut my layers a little long when I first start, because like I said, the curls really tell you where it needs to go once you start curling the hair. I try to be a little more generous when I first start. But I do want to have layers kind of all throughout, so just making sure each section I'm at least cutting some layers. I'm gonna leave it like this and just trim the end and go ahead and start curling. So this is the finished look. I absolutely love how the hair came out. It's a nice natural density. Of course, I prefer something maybe a little more dense, but this one is really, really cute. I love how the curls came out and the haircut. The hair feels really light and fluffy and bouncy. I definitely recommend this unit. So definitely head over to Hurela Hair and check it out. The links will be in the comments down below. All the products I use will be linked down there. Everything's from Amazon, so you can definitely click the links and check it out. If you guys have any questions for me or I missed anything, definitely leave them in the comments and I'll be sure to get back with you guys. And of course, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.